Hey fourth graders, I want to show you at my computer here how to do our Flipgrid tutorial part 2 steady beat. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so when you're at the dashboard here, you're going to click on either my Bitmoji or the icon, and there it is. You have your Flipgrid tab on the top here. Now, if you remember from Mr. Guy, our wonderful Mr. Guy helping us out with tech, don't forget, if you click on the video here, it's going to open, but then you won't be able to do anything else. So click on the URL here below, the link. So when you click on that, it's going to open a new tab. Watch. See? So here on the top, it's a new tab, Flipgrid Part 2, Maintain a Steady Beat. And then if you click over here, that's your Flipgrid recording area. So here's how you're going to do it. You're going to come here, you're going to click play, and then you're going to go back to the other tab. So now it's playing, it gives you 40 seconds. Go back to the other tab, and then you can record a response. Ta-da, here I am. Alright, now I'm going to have my found sound. You should have your found sound ready to go, because otherwise you're going to have to replay the YouTube video. Look, it's almost over already. Alright, so here I am. So I started counting. I'm going to count out loud. I'm going to listen to the drums first. Then count 1, 2, ready, go. And then that's it. If the video is still paused because it's finished, then you could click replay. You can pause the video like it's a YouTube video, so you know how to work that. And then you can stop your Flipgrid here. The Flipgrid only gives you 1 minute, okay? And if you make a mistake, you can always redo the video. You can watch it before you submit it out loud. I'm gonna listen to. Okay, I like it. Actually, let's trim this first. The drums first. Then count 1, 2, ready. Okay, never mind. Maybe I didn't set the trimming option for you. Anyways, I'm just gonna click on next. And then I'm gonna change my name because you call me Mr. Lee, not my first name, so. And then just gonna type my steady beat, and that's all you gotta do. Okay, you don't have to say your name. You don't have to say your what you're playing, what your found sound is. Just make sure that your found sound is in view of your Chromebook camera, and you're giving us a steady beat performance. Okay, that's it. Super simple. Submit. La. And you can download it if you want, okay? All right, and that's pretty much it. Good luck.